Good day, guys. Welcome back to GDEX Academy, and our topic for today is differentiation and integration of trigonometry function. So we start with the differentiation of this. So we know that our sine x is equals to cos x is equals to minus sine x, tan x is equals to secant square x, cot x is equals to minus cosecant square x, then secant s is equals to tan x sec x, then cosec x is equals to minus cot x, then cosecant x. Then for our integration of trigonometry function, this is what we have here. Is the reverse of this, but I'm going to be showing you the tricks that I'm going to do here in order for you to be able to get this in an easy form. Then this is our exercise. So we focus on the differentiation part, integration of trigonometry function in our next class, because I don't want to overload information on you guys. Then this is our question for today. So I want you to know that I formulated some of this question myself, so I'm going to be able to explain it for you guys better. So this is our first question. The f of s is equals to 2 cos s minus 6 sec s plus 3. So the first thing to do is I'm going to write the question, but I want you guys to glance through it, and if you can attempt it, you can try it before I lay hands on it. Then see some of this. I'll give you some as assignments because I might not be able to cover all. So I want you guys to give it a try, and I need your comment in the comment below and ask questions on it. And more importantly, I want you guys to practice it so that you can know it very well. So let's for the day, and it says the function of s is equals to 2 cos x minus 6 sec s plus 3. So we have to find the derivative. So this is another way of saying dy dx is equals to, since this is a constant, therefore there's no need of using product rule for both. So it will just be, what is the differentiation of cos x? That's what, minus sine. So therefore our answer will be 2 times minus sine. Therefore our answer will be 2 minus 2 sine x. So minus 6. What is differentiation of sec x? Sec x is equals to what? Tan x and what? Sec x. So this will be 6 tan x sec x. Then differentiation of 3 is what? 0. So therefore this is our final answer. Yeah, and it says function of t is equals to t to the power of 3 minus t squared sine t. So remember, for this one I said because it is a constant, therefore we don't have to use product rule. But yeah, this is not a constant, so we have to use product rule. But first, let's sort out this. Of course, I'm sure most of you guys know how to sort this out. This is what, if you multiply 3 by t is 3t, then 3 minus 1, 3t squared. So minus, let's put this in brackets, t squared sine t. So we have to differentiate this. Then this is u, this is v, using product rule. I've explained that in my previous video. So therefore, if you want to differentiate this will be what? T 2t. So using the product rule, we get this sine t rather, which is v du plus u, which is this t squared. dv is what? Cos t. So remember, this is in bracket and there's a negative sign outside of it. Therefore our total answer will be what? F of t is equals to 3t squared minus times this 2t sine t minus t squared cos t. That's our final answer. Please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. They are using something that I'm familiar with here, which is the y dx. So let's use the y dx here. Of course, the y dx of this is 0, so this is automatically cancelled out. So therefore we are using our product rule here again, but this time around we are making use of cosec. So u dv v du dx plus u dv dx. Yeah, so but first let's break this down. So this is same thing as saying 4x to the power of half plus times, let me use dot cosec x. So you should differentiate this, or no, let's just make use of v du. What is v? Cosec x, which is this du of this, as differentiation of this is what? 2x, because half times 4 is 2, then half minus 1 is what? Minus half, plus u. What is u? 4x half dv. If you differentiate this, we have what? Minus cot x, then we have cosec x. So therefore our answer is 2x cosec x plus 4, or you can just put minus, let's make this minus 4x half cot x cosec x. So this is our final answer. So this time around, I thought to differentiate tan x sec x. So as usual, u v, remember, is always a multiply. Therefore the y dx is equal to what? So v du, so there's v, that is sec x, du is what? Differentiation of tan is what? Sec square x plus u, which is tan x rather, dv is what? Tan x, then differentiation of sec is what? Tan x sec x. So that's all. What else? So let's write this straight. Our total answer is sec square x plus tan x, since tan is tan x, then sec x. So something is common here. You can choose to collect like times, but you are free to leave it like this too. You can try to go further and factorize it, but I wouldn't want to waste your time on that. But you can go ahead and factorize it and give me a final answer. So this is our next question. Y is equals to x sin x. You use different approach, so you can press pause and give it a try before you move on. So I want you to know that most of these questions I'm giving you are quite cheap. So maybe in our next class I'll be moving into a more complex question. So let's differentiate this, dy dx. So this is u and this is v. So v is what? Sin x. If you differentiate, this is what? The u, that is 1, plus u, which is x. If you differentiate sin, it will give us what? Cos. This is our answer. I can just say our answer is sin x plus x cos x. Soft, as easy as that. So during the process of watching this video, I want you to like and subscribe, and you can also share it with your friends. Let's solve this too. So let's move. Can press pause and give it a try before you see the solution. So dy dx. So I have an assignment for you guys after this. V is what? Cos x. Du is what? 2 times 2. V dx. V du dx. Du dx is 2 plus 2x, then cos is what? Minus sine. So this is like saying 2 cos s minus 2x sine x. That's our final answer. V du, this is v du, plus u dv. That's all. So let me solve the last one. You guys are going to eat up this question real fast. So it's becoming clearer and clearer and more easier for you guys. I'm very sure of that. And if it's not, you can always ask questions. So also I know, therefore remove. This is u as usual, this is v. So v cot x du du is what? Plus u dv. dv is what? Cot is what? If you differentiate cot, then you have cosec. Let me represent as CSC. Square x. So if you check back, that's what you get. This cosecant square x. Therefore, our answer is what? 2 cot x minus 2t cosec square. Today, it is easy for you guys to keep looking at me solving it. So the rest of this question, I want you guys to try it on your own and comment your answer on it on the comment section below. So just look at it, follow the same steps, and I'm very sure, very, very sure that you're going to get it. So hopefully you guys have written all of this, then and this too, because this will be what we'll be treating in our next class. So thank you all for watching up, following me up to this point. I really appreciate this. And I also want you to share our video, and help others too in other departments worldwide. Thank you very much. Remain blessed. Yeah.